Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by powering down and doing fast hardware checks. This rules out simple causes. Make sure the surface is off, unplugged, and wait 30 seconds before holding power for 30 seconds to discharge. Once done, boot and install any pending Windows and Surface firmware updates, because driver fixes often stop flicker. Next, go to Settings to disable adaptive brightness. Make sure the display cable is seated if you can access it. These steps eliminate many transient and software-triggered flicker sources. Now you tackle drivers and system conflicts. This is the detailed middle work. Open Device Manager, uninstall the display adapter, check Delete driver software, then restart to force Windows to reinstall. Alternatively, roll back if a recent update caused the problem. Then change the refresh rate to 60 Hz or to the Surface's native rate in display settings, because mismatched rates cause flicker. If flicker persists, boot into safe mode and perform a clean boot to find the culprit app or service. Finish with hardware diagnostics and a fallback plan. Run the Surface Diagnostic Toolkit to read sensors and error codes, inspect connectors and the digitizer for physical damage, reseat or replace the screen assembly if you find loose cables or cracks. Once hardware is confirmed OK, back up your data and perform a Windows reset as a last software resort. If problems continue, contact Microsoft support or an authorized repair center. Key tip: if flicker is intermittent, record a video. It helps technicians reproduce the fault.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.